Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eunice and today we are going to make soft mandazis. Yes, you heard me right. We are going to make soft mandazis for breakfast and these are my ingredients. We have cardamom, we have margarine, we have instant yeast, we have milk, we have sugar, 1 egg, we have 2 bowls of wheat flour. So let's start the process. The first part that I'll do is take my cardamom, I'll pour it here, then I will add my yeast. This is my instant yeast. I'll add it here, 1 sachet. This is about 11 grams. That's about 2 tablespoons. I will stir. Make sure you heat your milk to be warm. Or if you don't use milk, you can use water, warm water. So I will keep this aside, let it rise while I prepare the flour ingredients. I'll take my sieve. With a clean bowl, pour this flour. I sieve the flour first. So now our flour is mixed with the margarine. I will add our egg, 1 egg, mix again. This is a very easy process. I use these steps when I'm making mandazis for my family. Now we will add our mixture, this mixture that we prepared, gradually while we mix. You can also add flour as you keep kneading. mandazis are ready. As you can see, they are so ready. If I cut this like this, that's how they're looking. They're so yummy. You can take these mandazis with the tea or even with the soup. They'll still be okay. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, and see you in the next video. Bye.